trying to get windy. I'm trying to get low. I'm trying to do hair tricks.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Oh, this box slid in.
Yeah, it's all sliding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Did you build this?
No, sir. It was built and designed by Hunter Martin.
Okay. Looks good. And this is a 6th order with the
sir.
back ports. I see them back there. Wow.
6th order C-pillar with 2 Sundown XV3 18s.
Okay. At first I thought it was a 4th. I see them now. Nice. Could you tell me your name and everything in here real quick? Go ahead.
Yeah, my name is Bryan. It's a 2001 Chevrolet Tahoe. I've got 2 Sundown XV3 18s on a Terra Amps base 8K.
Wow.
JP23 4-channel.
Okay.
My 4 6.5 Neos in the front.
Okay.
Power Master 355 running dual XS power batteries, 17500 in the rear, 3800 in the front. And, this is pretty much it. So
Yeah.
let's give her a rip and see what she does.
Any, I have a couple more questions. I'm sorry.
Sure.
I only have one chance. Are you planning on doing a ceiling wall around this panel? Or are you trying to keep it where you're able to?
I'm trying to keep it basically, if I want to change out, all I got to do is just slide it out.
Got it. Okay.
But for now, it's going to ride like that. Maybe in the future,
Yeah.
I may completely seal it off. But for now, I'm going to leave it the way it is.
Okay. I like it. How's your bandwidth on it being a 6th order with a box like that?
I can get down to around 19 to 20. It peaks at around 32-ish, but it does not like it. So it kind of falls off and falls on its face. So I try to stay around 20 to 25.
Okay.
So,
got it. All right. And then the doors are Scar.
Yep,
okay.
Scar Neo 6.5s. The tweeters are also Neo 1-inch dome tweeters.
All right.
Pretty much, they're all ran off of the JP23.
Yeah.
It used to have the whole system was nothing but Scar, but you know I couldn't beat those. I mean, it's a budget build, so, and that's what I'm gonna stick to.
All right, man.
It loves the lows. That's all it wants.
That's what
Anything you hire, it just kind of falls on its face.
Is that what you like too, the lows?
Oh yeah, I'm trying to get windy. I'm trying to get low. I'm trying to do hair tricks.
You were doing a little hair trick in the back right there.
Oh, what?
The guy back there was like floating his hair a little bit. Yeah,
Hey,
that's pretty sweet. I got that on video. Hey, I'm gonna look under the hood too and just look at everything. Yep. I like the rims. I like everything. I like looking a little bit close if that's okay. Okay. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Yeah, man. Let it. What's the worst that can happen?
Yeah. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for all the info.
This designer bag if you can prove to me that you know your finances. Let's do it.
Dropping the switch, eating the lick, trying to get rich, off in this bitch, dropping my top, or popping my trunk, I'm whipping my willick, I'm whipping my Chris, these niggas ain't shit, these niggas ain't real, these niggas is frauds, most of these haters been cut and crushed in love and all of these bars, so I pull a car, slam a door, break a hole, die, brother, go, till it's so, pay that hoe.
Good bandwidth. You definitely like the lows. Nice to meet you again.
Yeah,
I appreciate the demo, man.
It loves the lows. That's all it wants.
That's what
Anything you hire, it just kind of falls on its face.
Is that what you like too, the lows?
Oh yeah, I'm trying to get windy. I'm trying to get low. I'm trying to do hair tricks.
You were doing a little hair trick in the back right there.
Oh, what?
The guy back there was like floating his hair a little bit. Yeah,
Hey,
that's pretty
what's up.
sweet. I got that on video. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate
You're welcome.
everything, man.
You're welcome. Y'all have a good day.